Sometimes it's very difficult to know from where to start. In IT, there are so many topics, but we don't know to start. Now, the two major points I'm going to discuss in this video. The first, what topics you can enter in documents. And second, we will be focusing from minor parts in IT to higher level. So this will open up your mind and helps to write SOP. In every organization, management keep asking in all department to make SOPs. Now, what is SOP? Just a small introduction. The SOP describe your daily activity and task you complete, which will be documented. During lockdown, IT plays major role like providing VPN access or any technical issues. After lockdown, the responsibility will be more like hardware issues, software issues, permissions, etc. Trust me, this will be very difficult to explain the work and also the task. Now, to define your roles and tasks, you have to create SOP. I completely understand there is IT tool in every organization, but I tell you, IT tool explain the issues you solved or you took initiative. And companies are not interested to see how well you resolve the technical issues. The organization, offices, companies wants to see how well you prepared and maintain documents. So let's move to create IT SOP. I will start from very basic. I'm taking a normal WordPad, no other software. So because after you enter all the content, then later on you can present very well. Now in IT, there are different departments like IT engineer, network engineers, and server engineers. For now, I will club network and server engineers. As I said, we need to start from beginning. IT engineers. IT engineers work an asset. Let's not focus on IT day-to-day calls, just think on assets. So we have desktop and laptops. There are so many other things, but desktop and laptops are the base at user end. We can start from machines. In machines, create checklists like power cord, keyboard, mouse, cables, and network connectivity. After this, create checklist on printers and biometric access. So you can create a checklist, printers and scanners and biometric. So first we'll start with the machines in checklist like desktop and laptop. After lockdown, when you enter in office, you just have to check, okay, so all these things are properly connected or proper in state. And then second, for printers, you can ping, you can check to the IP address and the scanner. So this is the base. If there are more than 4 printers, check the connectivity, cartridges, and scanner. Well, during lockdown, you can suspend biometric or go for the advanced technology, which is available right now from. After this, you can add as much as point. I'm sure you must have got an idea to add more point as per your organization. Now let's move to network or server. Before we dive into more technical points, I would suggest you do not give complete information of server. So do not write more and more information about server in SOP. Just write a simple statement which can understandable. If you have 1 or 2 server, then you can restart, or if you have more than 5 servers, then to restart your servers, because there are applications which run in background are slow. So restarting your server will give fresh start and work very well. You have to explain about software or apps which are running. So now in network and server category, you can also make a checklist about after restarting the server, what are the applications are running and the software you need to start, which helps to all the candidate, all the users in organization. In most financial companies, there are lots of software runs in background and applications team manage. Now write down about event viewer servers. So after restarting, check in event viewer if there is any errors or warnings. If there is no error or warning, still you have to mention about the event viewer. This point will definitely help you to add in SOP. Now you can start adding points like antivirus. I'll just give you the points and then later you can mention in it. So you got antivirus reports, firewall, router, including Wi-Fi, and backup. The backup is the most important topic where you can define a lot of things like how and when you take a backup and also when you restore the backup. The most important point I'll add here is if there is any damage or replace hardware, just mention and mark in bold, which shows that there is a problem and require to change. So now here there are a lot of topics which are getting covered. So the first you started with the machine, that is from the IT engineer, and then you slow and gradually you're going into a server and network and entering all the topics like security, like firewalls and antivirus. So these are the things you can mention and adding a lot of points. Now your SOP is 80% done. Last 20% is writing your thoughts like getting new technologies or cloud services, or what's most technical challenges you faced in your career. So in organization there are at least one challenge you face, so just describe that challenge which is completely unique and it took a lot of time, so you can enter that task in SOP. This SOP will definitely help others to get trained. Like for example, if anyone wants to check your SOP, so if you have written in a simple statement, that will definitely help others. So guys, you can add as much points in the list as per your organization and make your SOP very informative and simple.